a liquid talc is also vegan. This a liquid talc that goes on like a lotion to help keep baby skin soft. I mean, what is the worst that can happen? It's like baby powder, but in a lotion version. That is not making a lot of sense. But I'm going to try it anyway. Honestly, what is the worst that can happen? What is the worst that can happen? Your scalp got fried? Shut up. Don't hurt me. In all seriousness, I'm about to try this. It's a liquid talc. I don't know, honestly. Is it new? I've never heard of it. Only heard about this a few weeks ago, and I quickly ran to my local Asda and grab it. So it's supposed to be a baby powder, kind of, but in a liquid version. Honestly, you guys are as good as mine, but I'm, willing to try new things. Like I said, what's the worst that can happen? Besides, somebody has to try it, and if this works, this is gonna be a game changer. If it works, it will be a game changer. So it's basically liquid. So it goes on like a cream. It's vegan, if that means anything to anyone. So liquid talc, designed to care for and protect delicate baby skin. Apply generously. Massage into the skin after bath or shower or when required. That's it. Simple. It's 12 months though. Once it's open, this only lasts 12 months, and this is 200 mils. So yeah, I got this from my local Asda. So when I have it on my, like a tester like that, it goes on literally like a cream. So I suppose the test I'm trying to figure out here is, when I put this on my scalp like I would a regular baby powder. You guys, if you've not seen that video, I will link it somewhere in the description box, so you can see what goes on that original video of my baby powder, why I use it the night before my relaxer. So it's still evening, it's not late like I usually would do when I'm doing my baby powder routine. It's like it's just evening. It's not like I'm ready to go to bed or anything. I suppose if this work, this will be one of the advantage for me. That means I can just apply it any given moment of the day and just do my business throughout the day, and maybe go to bed with it and relax my hair next day. So that means I don't have to look like literally a crazy woman with baby powder all over me. Yeah. So yeah, I've applied it today, didn't I? It's completely disappeared. Let's me get straight to it and apply it, because I don't want to be here for ages. I'm keen to give this a try. And I mean, if I said I'm not scared, I will be lying to you all. So that is what it is. Literally, it's like a cream. So the idea is for me to apply this to my scalp now and touch up my hair tomorrow morning. I've got a client coming for their hairdo tomorrow morning as well. So hopefully I should not be looking stupid like I usually do with my regular baby powder. So I'm just going to divide my hair like I would and just go on my scalp and apply this on the way I would. Guys, if this work, if it doesn't work, I'm going to be gutted, because I do not remember the last time I had a scalp burn, relaxer scalp burn. That is because the last couple of years I've been applying baby powder to my scalp, and just that has been my routine. So now this, I discovered this. So I really am hoping this will work. A quick new growth check. 3 months post relaxer. Like I said in my touch-up video, my last touch-up video, I want to be doing 2 touch-up in the warmer month and stretch my relaxer during the winter time. So yeah, my hair is extremely thick. The new growth is so thick and strong, really thick. It's almost like, yeah, at 3 months post, I did not expect to be having that much of new growth. And it's not even the amount of it, is how firm, how hard it is. So I'm really amazed at that. So I'm gonna do this and come back to you guys once everything is applied to my scalp. So I'm just gonna repeat this all through all my session, basically just basing my scalp with it. I hope this will work. Pray for me. Oh my God, what have I done? Yeah, if it's not this, it's the other one. Now this, baby powder, no, liquid talc. Oh my God, help! Just to add, this make my new growth really soft at the minute I apply it to my scalp. So far, I love it. Usually, I will base the end of my hair first before applying baby powder. But because this is cream, I didn't have to do that. So I base the length of my scalp, the length of my hair to prevent relaxer runoff. Immediately, just before I start applying relaxer on, I did that. So I think that it's going to be another good thing about this liquid talc. It's just me. I don't have to, go to bed with really greasy, oily, ends of my hair that I usually do. Base it with petroleum jelly. So I didn't have to do that. So I will base the length of my hair straight before I touch up. That is another thumbs up. I think this is going to be great. I don't know. Oh, good. I will apply it all in. I'm going to come back. Pretty much this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to repeat this at the last 2 sessions at the back as well, because I'm likely to be touching up this hair tomorrow. Not likely, I will be touching up. I will be doing this touch up by myself tomorrow. I haven't got help. So I've divided the 2 sessions at the back fairly small, so if anything, go pear shapes, is more manageable. And since I don't have eyes behind my back, that part there, if you become under process, for the simple fact that I can't see, at least it's just that little section. But as far as there and there, I part it up to there and there, and I can pretty much feel it or see it ish, compared to those 2 sections. And I cannot see a thing at the back there. But anyway, before I apply my relaxer on tomorrow, I will come and make another little clip to see. I don't know, I might just have to wash my hair tomorrow because it hasn't dried, and I can't touch up. But this is a huge gamble, this, because I've only got tomorrow. I have got somebody with hair appointment first thing 9:30 in the morning. Ideally, once she's left, I need to crack on with touching up this hair, because I'm going away on Saturday for our wedding anniversary. So it's like spa and stuff. I really want to have my hair out. So this gamble of using liquid talc instead of just sticking to what I already know and work, I don't know if this is going to pay off. But either way, I will come back and make another little clip tomorrow before I relax my hair to see. I'm curious, just like you guys probably will be, to see will this dry out, will this what with this white stuff you guys are seeing right now? Will it dry off? I honestly, I will back tomorrow morning. I will apply this 2 other session exactly the same way I did the front, and did this. I'm gonna do this off camera, but I'll be back anyway before I touch up to show you guys what is this looking like. If it's applied like a lotion, but it's supposed to dry according to, you know, the little one I kind of patch test, if you will, I did on my hand, it did dry to nothing. But this is my scalp, this is relaxer touch up. I kind of went heavy handed on it, and as I do, just because, you know, trying to be, you know, I'm conscious of getting relaxer burn. I don't remember last time I had relaxer burn. I am hoping I'm not gonna start having one now. I'm just rambling now. See you tomorrow morning. Ciao, ciao. So this is next morning. Should I say afternoon? It's nearly 1 o'clock. Remember I was saying I need to do, I have a client hair appointment. It's braids. So I've just finished working on her. She's just left not long ago. So now I can finally focus on me. So this is next day. And this is what the liquid talc, this is how it look next day. It's completely dry, and it just looks like a really filthy scalp, you know. Look, really, that's what I was going for, to make my scalp all look filthy. So that acts as a barrier to ensure my scalp doesn't get burned once I apply relaxer on it. So I think so far, judging by the appearance I'm getting, I think I've succeeded in that. So I will keep you guys posted once I apply the relaxer on. Then hopefully it will do exactly what I needed it to do. I will I'll be back. All right, stick around and see how it all went on. So what I need to do now is just get the relaxer in and, you know, get it out, what not have you. That's what I need to do. I know that shaded hair all coming out because it's not properly detangled before I apply that whatever liquid talc on yesterday. So stay where you are. Don't move anywhere. I will add my relaxer touch up, little clip of it somewhere here, and you guys can see, hopefully, fingers crossed, my scalp doesn't burn.